Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Edmondo's channel. This is Jan 2026 P4 walkthrough. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share the content, leave a message for me if you need more clarification, or let me know what you need me to cover in the next video. Thank you. Question four, we're being asked to use the use substitution to show that this integral here turns out to be this. All right. One thing I can get first are the limits here, a and b. I can get those ones first because I'm changing the limit. So this is x. They say that x equals to 0 and x equals to the ln of what? Of 6. Using the substitution, I'm changing it to u. U equals to e of x plus 4. That means my u when x is equal to 0 is e power of 0 plus 4, which is equal to 5. And for this one here is e of natural log of 6 plus 5 plus 4, not plus 5 equals what? It's going to be 10 because this is 6, then plus 4, which is equal to 10. So the limits are already there. So that means b is equal to 10 and then a is equal to what? A is equal to 5. Then we can go into the substitution part. The substitution part, the most important thing that we start with is always the derivative. So u is equal to ex plus 4. So you get your du dx as equal to e of x. Make the x the subject. If you make the x the subject, means you have du over ex equals to the x. Now it's time to substitute. Therefore, your integral, I'm not going to bother with the limits, so because I already have them sorted. So of e plus 3 ex plus 4 the x. So what I have here, I always tell my students never get the integration by substitution wrong, because I've given you the integration and the substitution what you're supposed to use. So I'll only my first step, I only substitute in what they've told me to remove. Only this. That means I don't touch this one over here. I leave it the way it is. Okay, all of it over this one here, which is u. And then I have the dx. The x here has been written in this format, so the x is over here. The x is changed into du over e of x. I will disregard the limits. We don't need them now. All right, now what you need to do now, you can see that nothing is cancelling out, because most of the time something has to cancel out, but nothing is cancelling out. So that means you have to go ahead and say, because your u is e of x plus what? X plus 4. That means make e the subject. That means u minus 4 is equal to what? Is equal to e of x. Now come and substitute into your integral. Now so our integral is 2. 2 into what? 2 into e. E is u minus 4 plus what? Plus 3 over u multiplied by du over e, where a is u minus what? Minus 4. So your final answer here, you have 2u. The integral is going to be 2u minus, this is going to be minus 8 plus that, which is equal to minus 5 over, this is u into u minus what? Minus 4 with respect to u. You know your limits already. Your limits are from 5 to what? 5 to 10. This is the equation they are looking for. All right, part B of the question. Now they're asking us to integrate this. Now we no longer focus on this integral, because this integral from part A has been changed to this. Now our focus is going to be on this new expression. You don't go back to this. Now we focus on this new expression. That's why they use the word hence. Focus from the previous question, you use it to solve the next question. So we are focusing on this equation. You can see over here we're going to use partial fractions. So you have 2u minus 5 over u into u minus 4. This is the same as a over u plus b over u minus 4. So we need to get a value of a and b. So you have 2u minus 5 as equal to a into u minus 4, and then plus b multiplied by what? Multiplied by u. So what I'm going to do over here, I always do the substitution. So substituting u as equal to 0. If u is equal to 0, you see that minus 5 is equal to u is equal to 0 is equal to, this is going to be minus 4. It's going to be minus 4 what? 4a. Therefore, your A is equal to 5 over 4. Now you can substitute U is equal to 4. If U is equal to 4, put 4 over here. So you have when you put 4 over there, you have 8. So that means you have 3. You have 3 equals to, when you put 4 over here, that's 0. And then when you put 4 over here, you have 4 what? You have 4b. That means you end up with b as equal to 3 over what? 3 over 4. Therefore, what this means, it means that our equation, which is 2u minus 5 over u into u minus 4, is now the A, which is 5 over 4 over the u, plus the B, which is 3 over 4 over u minus what? U minus 4. Now, it's time for us to integrate this. Now, in order to integrate, so now our integral, the integral from 5 up to 10 of 2u minus 5 over u into u minus 4 du is the integral of 5 over 4 of u du plus the integral of 3 over 4 of u minus 4 respect to du, and the limits are 5 to what? 5 to 10, and then 5 to what? 5 to 10. All right, so let us integrate. Now, when you see the integral for this, this is just a constant. This is 5 over 5, just a constant, and this is just going to be the integral of 1 over u du. And this one as well, the 3 over 4 is just a constant, and is the integral of 1 over u minus 4 du. That means the integral for this is 5 over 4 ln of u plus the integral of this 3 over 4 natural log of u minus 4, and then you have your limit. By the time you reach this point, you have almost you have out of the 6, you have almost 4 marks. We are looking for now 2 marks, so I simplify this 10 and 5. Now we are going to substitute in, so the substitution here is going to be a little bit big. So you have 5 over 4 natural log of 10 plus 3 over 4 natural log of, this is u, which is going to be u minus 4, which is equal to 6. All of this subtract, when you put in 5, 5 over 4 natural log of 5 plus 3 over 4 natural log of 1, because this is u minus what? U minus 4 natural log of 1, like that. Next part here, okay, we continue to simplify. So if we continue the simplification, what I'm going to do, you see the 5 over 4 here, natural log of 10, and this 5 over 4 here, and this 5 over 4 here. I'm going to subtract. That means I have 5 over 4 natural log. When you subtract, what do? You divide, natural log of 2. Then plus 3 over 4 natural log of 6. Now this one here is natural log of 1 is equal to 0, so all of this is gone. That means this is going to be your answer. In the final answer, we need to have natural log of 3. That means, how do you get this into natural log of 3? So what we have 5 over 4 natural log of 2 plus 3 over 4 into, this one, have it as natural log of 3. Because it is 6, 6 is 3 times 2, that means natural log of 3 times natural log of 2. That's how I separate it. So that means what I have 5 over 4 natural log of 2, open the brackets, plus 3 over 4 natural log of 3 plus 3 over 4 natural log of 2. Now when you add this, we're just adding the fraction, here. We're just adding this fraction, and that fraction is 3 over 4. 3 over 4 plus 5 over 4 is going to be 2. So this is 2 natural log of 2 plus 3 over 4 natural log of 3 as your final answer.